Hi, this is Tracie Schmidt with the Schmidt Team at Supreme Lending. I'm a licensed mortgage loan officer throughout all of California and in multiple states, but especially in California, I get asked all of the time this question: what is a supplemental property tax? It is a supplemental property tax that's in California. It's actually been with us since July of 1983. And it was signed in by the governor as part of a drive to aid California schools. It's a supplemental tax bill that you're going to get after you purchase a home or do new construction. Honestly, there is no specific time frame as to when you're going to receive the supplemental tax bill after you purchase a home or do construction. As you could see here, it could be within weeks or it could take over 6 months. So it's something you definitely want to look out for in the mail. One of the questions that I get is, does the mortgage pay the supplemental tax bill? It does not. So your supplemental tax bill is going to be paid directly by you as the property owner. Now, if your mortgage is impounded, meaning that it includes taxes and insurance, we will get your property tax bill to pay that on your behalf when the installments are due. But a supplemental tax bill is not paid by the lender. It is paid by you, the homeowner. The other question that I get is, how is it calculated? So there actually is a website that I can provide you where you could enter in your property information and do a supplemental tax estimator on the home that you're looking to purchase, so you can understand what that tax bill will look like. This is also something that your real estate agent should talk to you about before putting an offer on a home. And the way that I try to clarify it with people is, let's say, for example, you purchase a home that someone is selling and the assessed value by the county of that home is $300,000. And then you're buying it for $800,000, right? So it takes a while for the county to catch up to the change of ownership in that property. So the property tax rate is based on $300,000 when in fact you purchased it and the value is really $800,000. So by the time that catches up, they take the difference between those two values, and there's a certain percentage that they will calculate for that actual supplemental tax bill. So again, reach out to me. You can message me. I can provide you this site. So if you are shopping for a home, you could check out what that potential supplemental tax estimator would look like. So if you are a homeowner recently within the last, let's say, 6 to 9 months, and you want to know if you owe supplemental taxes. Now, this is for San Diego County, but what you would do is you would just Google the county that you're in. So tax assessor San Diego County, tax assessor Contra Costa County. And this is what you're going to find for San Diego County. So this is the San Diego County Treasurer Tax Collector. The website is sdttc.com. When you go to this, all I tell people to do is you could just hit pay bill and you would hit continue. And this is where it's going to pop up information where you could provide your property address. The easiest thing to do is to provide your mailing address and hit begin search. What's going to actually show up, and let me just share my screen here, a different screen here. Let's see. So this is what's actually going to show up. It's going to be your property tax results. It's going to show your secured taxes. And it's also going to show if you owe supplemental taxes. Okay, it's a different category here. So secured and supplemental. Again, if your mortgage is impounded or escrowed with your taxes and insurance, your secured tax bill will be sent to your lender, okay? The supplemental tax bill, it usually comes in 2 installments depending on when you purchase the home. In this specific example, you could see the first installment is due, and then it's delinquent after 8/1. The second installment is delinquent after November 30th. And you could see what the dollar amount is of those 2 installments. You could actually pay this bill online. You don't want to be delinquent in any type of property taxes. So it's really important that you actually check this site. What I try to do for my clients is about 6 to 7 months after buying a home, I'll actually jump on the assessor's site for them and see if it shows any type of supplemental tax bill. Or I suggest if you get a bill in the mail, maybe take a picture of it, text it to the mortgage lender that you worked with, and ask them if it's something that you should pay. You don't, again, want to be delinquent on that. So again, there are resources available to you. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. Again, this is Tracie Schmidt with the Schmidt Team at Supreme Lending. You could call or text me at 888-336-5200, or just search for me on Google under Tracie Schmidt or the Schmidt Team. And I'm going to go ahead and post this video on places like YouTube and Facebook to try to give some information to people that recently purchased a home that might be seeing what's called a supplemental tax bill. Again, if you want to see before you put an offer on a home what that tax bill might look like, message me and I can send you the link where you can insert the house number and try to get a tax estimator. Again, I am here if you have any questions, and I hope that you have an amazing day.